Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your first time here, welcome. If it's not your first time, thanks for coming back. Looks like The Warning has a new video out. The song is Qué Más Quieres. That's awful. I know it's awful. I'm not good at Spanish. I speak English and French, and that's about it. And my French is freaking terrible, so I gotta get back to that. So this song, I just read through the lyrics. That's when I checked out the pronunciation and what it means. It's what do you want? And I guess that's all I have for you. This looks like I don't know. I can't really tell from the thumbnail, but it's not a live video. Looks like an actual video, which is more of a. Just zooming through here, just with thumbnails. Looks like there's actually like a storyline to it, so I'm excited to check this out. So, headphones up on the melon, like, subscribe, do all that YouTube-y stuff. Help me out with those algorithm gods. I greatly appreciate it. And let's check out The Warning with Qué Más Quieres. That was freaking terrible. Absolutely terrible. Oh, it's a wide video.
El hambre que está consumiendo tu interior.
I hope that's
Sin
fake.
esfuerzo puedo yo saciar la sed que te da, solo me hace recordar con qué poco yo te puedo ahogar. Sin fallar, lo que tú puedas necesitar. Aquí va a estar, aquí está. Dime qué más quieres, ya no te lo niegues. A escondidas cobro, me lo llevo todo. De mí no te vas a esconder, sé que siempre vas a volver, aunque a veces quieras escapar.
Ahora que yo sé
que aquí te vas a quedar. Pretendo sanar la misma herida que yo abrí. Te lastimo y aún vuelves a mí. Al manipular el poder que tú me das, yo decido cómo es el final. Sin fallar, lo que tú puedas necesitar.
Looks different.
Aquí va a estar, aquí está. Dime qué más quieres, ya no te lo niegues. A escondidas cobro, me lo llevo todo. De mí no te vas a
I'm not sure if that's a good look on it.
sé que siempre vas a volver, aunque a veces quieras escapar. Yo sé que aquí te vas a quedar. Dime qué más quieres, dime qué más quieres, dime qué más quieres, dime qué más quieres.
That guy's gotta dye that mustache to match the hair.
Si yo va a ser,
He's gonna kill him.
¿qué más quieres? Ya no te lo niegues.
Oh, grandma.
Escondidas cobro, me lo llevo todo. De mí no te vas a esconder, sé que siempre vas a volver. Sabes cómo va a terminar, pero aquí te vas a quedar.
Where does that go to?
Dime qué más quieres.
Oh, they didn't show. It's like Pulp Fiction. They didn't show us what's in the box. What's in the box? Oh, look at all the credits. Wow, that was totally different. Super catchy, by the way. Super catchy freaking song. It's already stuck in my head. So that's really what you want to achieve, right? So it was just, I gotta watch that again. Yeah, I couldn't really figure out. I was trying to figure out the thing. I thought they were gonna kill the dude, and then they framed him, and I'm gonna go through the lyrics in the video again so I have a better understanding of it. But man, he was a creepy looking dude with the blonde hair, the super pot, and the black mustache. Weird to me, but they look so different, right? Because you're just used to them looking like rocker girls, right? And then they come out all in the wedding outfits and stuff. So it was just totally different, something you're not used to. And I enjoyed it. I freaking enjoyed it. Enjoyed everything about it. The video was great. The song was absolutely great. The drums in this song. I was listening to a lot of different percussions in my headphones, so I'm going to check that out and focus more on that. I think that's one of the things when you watch a video too, is you don't focus as much on the instruments, so I'm going to go back and do that, because I heard a lot of different type of percussion and percussion fills in there that I want to get a grasp on. So great freaking song. Automatic playlist again. They just always go on the playlist. So I don't know what else to say. I apologize for my attempts at pronouncing Spanish words. So if I sing this and you ever hear me singing it, just ignore me. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you. I appreciate you, and I'll see you soon.